Hello, welcome to command line tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to start any services, also some other command. So open up your Kali machine and use terminal. So our first command is how to start any service. Exit next. As in next section of Metasploit, we are going to start some services like as Apache 2, PostgreSQL. So how to start those services? Type down service here, then the name of the service as I want to start Apache 2, and the operation what you want to do, start the service or stop the service. So I'm going to start the service and hit enter. If you want to check out the status of that service, use status. You can see our service is active right now and is running process. Press Ctrl+C to exit out, and we are going to start another service called PostgreSQL. So type down service here and PostgreSQL, then start and check the status here. You can see it's active right now. So that's how we can start any type of service using command. So the next command is clear command. Clear command is used to clear the screen. So use clear and you can see our screen is cleared right now. So if you use the cursor and go above, our command is still present here. It's only doing up and down. So our next command is history command. History command gives you output of all commands we have ever used. So you can see there are a list of 337 commands I have ever used on this Kali Linux. So if I want to save these all commands into one file, actually right now I'm on root. So I want to save those files on my desktop. So go to desktop and use history command to show our all commands and redirect all commands into history.txt. So you can see right now we are not having any history.txt file here, or whenever you will hit enter, the new file will be generated, and this file is containing all our commands we have ever typed. So clear out the screen using clear, and our next command is who am I. So it will give the username of our machine. Root is using our terminal, so we are having complete privilege. Next command is exit command. Exit command is used to exit out from this terminal. So whenever I will hit enter, this terminal will be closed. Practice this Linux command as much as you can, because these commands are very powerful and going to help you in next section of Metasploit, also solving any vulnerable machine.